Okay, for making a phylogenetic tree, first we have to download all the sequences of the organisms in FASTA format from NCBI. Here I have downloaded all the sequences. Now open Mega 11 software, click on Align button, select Edit Build Alignment, create a new alignment, DNA, click on DNA because we are doing DNA. Now copy paste all the sequences which you have downloaded. After pasting all the sequences, click on Align button. Here you will see multiple options by which you can align. I'll use muscle. Okay, now you can see our sequences are aligned. After this, we have to export this aligned file in mega format so that we can make phylogenetic tree from that. Click on data, export alignment, mega format. Save the file after giving it a name. You can close this window. Here you can see the mega file. Double click to open it. It will open inside Mega 11 software. Here is the file. Now for making the phylogenetic tree, click on phylogeny. Here you will see multiple options like maximum likelihood, neighbor joining, minimum evolution, UPGMA, maximum parsimony. I'll make maximum parsimony tree for this example. Okay, you will see here multiple options like none or bootstrap, etc. I am using bootstrap and bootstrap replicates 500. This 500 value means that 500 different types of trees will be formed and the most recurring tree will be shown to us. Click on OK after editing all the values here to your requirements. Now you will get the phylogenetic tree. After getting the phylogenetic tree, you can change its shape from here under image option. Here there are multiple options like straight or curved or even circular. After selecting your desired option, if you want to export this in PDF or image form BMP, click here on Save as PDF file. Click here to select the storage location, give the file a name and click on Save and OK. Now you can close this. Here you can see the PDF of the phylogenetic tree. Okay, so this is how we make the phylogenetic tree.